Even when we have everything we want on our table and everyone you love is there in your life, you still feel something is missing. You are not able to name what is missing. If you could, you might be able to go somewhere to get it. You feel that something that is vital to you lies out of your reach in the unknown. And the hunger to fill this vacuum drives some people to accumulate possessions, degrees, persons, things. But they are still disappointed because the hunger is for divine. It is to satisfy the hunger to satisfy this hunger, God sent His Son, Jesus Christ. And God once used Joseph to rescue his starving brothers and father from famine. And so in that we saw Joseph was a foretype of Jesus Christ. He came to satisfy the hunger for God. And when we see Jesus feeding the hungry and curing all kinds of diseases, we are reminded that these are the signs calling us to see Him, in Him, the answer to our eternal hunger.